Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Jaya Gauranita 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 Jaya Gauranita 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 Jaya Gauranita Jaya Gauranita 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 Jaya Gauranita Jaya Gauranita Jaya Gauranita Gauranita Jaya Gauranita Jaya Prabhupada 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 Srila Prabhupada 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 Jaya Prabhupada Jaya Gurudeva 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 Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva Gurudeva Jaya Gurudeva
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
Hare Hare
Hare Rama
Hare
Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare
Hare Rama 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 Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama
Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Hare 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 Rama
Hare Rama 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 Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare हरे राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे राम राम
राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna,
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण हरे 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 राम
राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे राम राम हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Now we have class by His Grace Sumitra Prabhu. So I request everybody to turn this side. Before turning, there is an announcement. We have found one car key. Looks like Mahindra car key. Please check if anybody has dropped. They can collect from me. Okay, I have found it. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Somebody can get a garland from DD room for the guest, please. There's a garland in the altar, please. Hare Krishna. Today is a very auspicious day of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appearance day. And we have a very special guest today. Mr. Anil Kumar Reddy is a Vice President of TTD Center, T Nagar. Actually, the President also is about to come due to his schedule, he could not make it. And it's the first time in the Gaura Purnima festival, we have a special guest. So this is very, very unique and very special. He's also a life member and industrialist who has visited many of the ISKCON centers, who is associated with ISKCON for a long, long time. So we all welcome him by saying, Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. So in a very short notice, I informed him actually. He also was instrumental to meet the president and the chairman 15 days before. Due to chairman's schedule, the local president supposed to come. Due to his schedule, he could not make it. And he made it definitely that he will be coming this festival. There are few more committee members will be coming a little bit late. So let us acknowledge him by saying Hare Krishna loudly. Hare Krishna. So I request President to give shawl to Vice President. So I request Rao Prabhu to put a garland on him, please. I request Anil Kumar Reddy to speak a few words on the most auspicious day.
Hare Krishna. Good evening to everybody. Ellarkum Kalai Vanakkam. It is really a great pleasure for me to come here. I thank J.K. Das sir for inviting me for this function. When he met me about a month back and requested me to bring the chairman of TTD, Mr. Y.V. Subbareddy from Andhra Pradesh, I have sent a request letter. He went and met him, and he has accepted. Due to some governmental commitment, he was not able to make it today. On his request, I came on behalf of him, and some more members of our committee from TTD also were supposed to join today. They may come late. Meanwhile, my joining with ISKCON happened about almost 20 years back, and he is the man who has brought me to this organization. Then subsequently I used to visit Bombay Center very frequently because I was in the Industrial Association. We used to go very frequently to Bombay. I used to stay in ISKCON. After staying there, there are a lot of changes I brought in my life. Once I never used to get up in the early mornings. But after staying there, there are certain disciplines what I've learned from ISKCON. There is no newspaper, no TV in the rooms. So we had no choice to sleep early and get up early, go for the prayer. That was the greatest advantage we have found it when we went. After that, a lot of my friends have also joined ISKCON. Whenever we go for the national meetings, we used to stay there, enjoy the morning Harati. And for a long time, I was keeping the ISKCON's song as my ringtone, which has fascinated me for a very long time. And when I found out from the center that music was composed by a foreigner for ISKCON, and I'm not a singer to sing that song, but ISKCON have fascinated me in my life for a longer period. And all of you, I know, if I didn't expect such a big crowd being very far off from the city, but still I'm very happy to be with all of you on this occasion. And of course, about the TTD, I don't have to tell anybody. All of you know what we are, and it was an opportunity for me to become the Vice President of the Tamil Nadu TTD Center. And we are doing our best to promote the Hinduism and bring the concept of among the people, devotees, make more facilities for the devotees to make it more accessible, more people to visit, and more comfortable in the temple. Of course, ISKCON is a momentum brought all over the world. So it has a lot of fascinations, and there are so many devotees for it. And personally, though I am a TTD Vice President, personally I am a great fan of Krishna for a simple reason. No other human being born in this world who is more intelligent and intellectual than Krishna. Even astrologically, what I was told is 99% perfection if in the astrological rasis, if any astrologer can find, is that none other than the Krishna. Everybody had their own sufferings in the life, but Krishna was the one. He had a suffering before the birth and immediately after the birth, but he is the most intellectual where we can follow in different parts of our life, at different stages of our life. And Bhagavad Gita, I don't have to say, still it is a path for many crores of people throughout the world, not only the Hindus. There is so much to learn from that. And this center, along with other centers I visited in Calcutta, I visited so many places of ISKCON. And this also has been brought up very well. Hope all of you will enjoy the temple and the darshan of Krishna here. I wish you all the best on this occasion. Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Thank you, Anil Kumarji. I request President Sumitra Prabhu to give him a thanks for coming on behalf of ISKCON Temple Management.
Prabhupada, the founder Acharya of ISKCON, he used to tell all his American disciples, you Americans are very good, but you should learn management from TTD. The way they manage the temples, and that was in 1970s, he told. When Prabhupada himself went to Tirumala, along with many Western devotees, had tumultuous Kirtan, and 5 years back, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he went to Tirumala and Padmavati and did big Kirtan. Even now, on the top Tirumala, there's a Pada. Mahaprabhu's lotus feet is there, and many devotees take shelter of it. We are so fortunate that a representative of the TTD has come here, and today being a new year for the Gaudiya Vaishnava, Gaurabda year 536, and we are very happy that Balaji has sent his representative to witness Krishna's representative form as a devotee Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's birthday. Once again, thank the Vice President of local. We used to stay in T Nagar, Burkitt Road. It was only a stone throw, very nearby. We used to always go and do Kirtan. Now, we go once in a time, but many devotees in T Nagar visit now. Even though this place is small, on New Year Day, Vaikuntha Ekadasi, we can find queues going to kilometers. I was just thinking the kilometer is so big, the last person will be standing near the Krishna's temple here. Thank you very much once again for coming.
Hare Krishna, few announcements. Now we will have a small class by Sumitra Prabhu. Post that there will be Aarti. Playing holy colors is not allowed in the premises. You can go out in the parking area and play. Also, after the Aarati, we are doing first time Holika Dahan. All devotees are requested to come down in the parking area. We are going to do Holika Dahan. Thank you. Aarti will be after the class. I request everybody to be seated by that time. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. So let us greet the Lord by chanting his name together. All of you sit straight. Jai Jai Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda. Jai Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Brinda. Jai Jai Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda. Jai Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Brinda. Jaya Jaya Shri Chaitanya Jaya Nityananda. Jai Dvaita Chandra Jaya Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna. I think I had to give the class in English because I can see the many devotees from different parts of India come. There are some devotees from the Western countries. I humbly request those devotees who are not, I know many know, or everybody knows English. எவ்வளோ பேருக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் தெரியாது தமிழில் கேட்குறேன் only one. I will speak in very slow English. There is a new language in Chennai called Tanglish, a mixture of English and Tamil. The main thing is that we have to understand the subject matter. As we all know that we are sitting here to celebrate a very important birthday, the appearance day, advent of Lord Krishna in the form of a devotee, who is none other than Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The first altar, the Lord is raising his hand. Krishna is holding flute. And Balaji is having blessings. Here, same Vishnu, Krishna, in Kali Yuga, he has come as a devotee and is teaching us how to perform bhakti, how to sing kirtan, how to associate with devotees, how to understand Bhagavad Gita. Practically, Lord Krishna himself, in the form of a devotee, he has come on to teach us. He appeared about 5 years back. This is the 536th year of his appearance day. This is called the Gaurabda New Year. As I was telling a few minutes back, today is the new year for the Gaudiya Vaishnavas. We just had January 1st New Year. Then we are going to have in April next month, Tamil New Year's Day. But for the Gaudiya Vaishnava, the New Year started when Mahaprabhu appeared. Mahaprabhu appeared 5 years back on the loud call of Advaita. Advaita is none other than Mahavishnu. He was worshipping Shaligram with water and tulsi and praying, "Oh Lord, please come, please come." Why? The entire world is filled with sinful people. They're committing mischief, sinful activity. You please come and rescue us. He was shouting, Garjana, "Please come, please come." And his voice attracted. It just went through the Bhuloka, up to Swargaloka, Paravyoma, Kailash, and his peace do. Then the Brahma Jyoti, then went to the Vaikunta, then still went up and up. Dwaraka, Mathura, then Goloka. Lord was here, my devotee is calling me. I should see what's happening there. On his loud call, he appeared in West Bengal. The famous West Bengal. There was only one Bengal before. Now it has become East Bengal and West Bengal. Most of the Mahaprabhu's pastimes can be seen in Bangladesh also. A lot of pastime area. So he appeared on the day of eclipse. During eclipse, Indians, naturally, traditional, cultured, they go to river or sea and take a bath. When they take bath, they all chant Lord's name. Nowadays people go to talk, not all of you, many of them, we go to bath and they sing some film songs. But our tradition is, when they go to take bath on eclipse, they all chant, Hari! What is that? You have to chant, Hari! Hari! The Lord will come. So when they are all chanting, not one or two, thousands and thousands of devotees, the banks of Ganga, Kalighat, wherever Ganga is flowing, West Bengal, they are all chanting loudly. At that auspicious moment, in the midst of the glories of chanting, Lord appeared. He appeared under the neem tree to Sachi Mata. Neem tree, you know, Vembu Maram, neem tree. It has medicinal property, antibacterial. I don't know why our Ayurvedic doctors have not recommended neem for coronavirus. Neem tree is so powerful, any type of inauspicious thing, ghost or virus can be taken away. Just because he was born under the tree of neem, he was called Nimai. The other name of Mahaprabhu is Nimai. And the astrologer, when they saw the child, he said, this child will be very powerful. Everyone will respect him, they'll worship him, glorify him. His names and glories will be spread all over the world, Vishwa. So he had another name, Vishvambara, Lord Chaitanya. So when he was a small child, when he was born, usually in Indian tradition, when the child is born, everyone comes to see the child bringing gift. Nowadays we don't know what's happening. They celebrate. Ladies come with a lot of nice gifts, ornaments, toys, everything. So usually when the child is hungry, it cries. Mahaprabhu, when he was a small child, he started crying. He had a different reason. He didn't cry like us. He purposely cried and he had a plan behind it. So many ladies, they try to stop the crying by showing some balloon, some bell, gilly, gilly, gilly. Nothing could stop. Nowadays, mothers are very clever to stop a child. They show a mobile phone, the child stops crying. That's what I heard from many mothers. They show some Tom and Jerry cartoon, child becomes quiet. But Mahaprabhu, he didn't stop crying. He kept on crying. Then some ladies thought, okay, let us try a new trick. Let us chant Hari. Immediately stopped. The child stopped crying. Ah, wow, very good, good idea. She started chanting Hari Bol, Hari Bol. Child was smiling like anything. Then she stopped. Again he started crying. Then they thought, okay, you chant for half an hour. Next lady chant for half an hour. So Mahaprabhu inaugurated the Kirtan Mela 536 years back. Don't think Kirtan Mela was inaugurated now. So slowly, the entire group of the women folk started chanting Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. And the child was smiling anything. And when the people was chanting Krishna's name, they felt some type of happiness in them. All the sorrows, all the difficulties, stress just flew away. They never went out. They were sitting like all of you. Even if I tell you go out, you will not go out. You want to see the Lord. So they were just seeing. Imagine, the Lord was there directly in front of them. They were seeing Kirtan. So Mahaprabhu came in this world to inaugurate the Sankirtan movement. Like Krishna came in this world to kill the demons. Right from a child, right from Chatakasura, Putana, he started keeping on killing demons till end, up to Kamsa. He was only to come to kill. Whereas when he came in Kali Yuga as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he never came to kill. Krishna had Gada and Chakra to kill the demons. Whereas Mahaprabhu has empty hand. But we know, Krishna Varnam Susa Krishnam Sango Pangasha Parshadam Yagnai Sankirtana Prayar Yajanti Sumedha Saha. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came without any weapons. but he had a weapon of Hari's name, powerful name. So he taught everyone, please chant Krishna's name. When he was saying that Balaji is there, Bala means child. Even though Balaji is standing Ajanabhava, with beautiful crown, with nice, beautiful, the children's, the parents, when they bathe their child, they put a dishti pottu here. So Balaji has a beautiful Pachakalpuram with a camphor dot. He is Bala, always child. We have one representative sitting here. So, this child, Nimai, when he grew up, he was completely engaging everyone in Krishna's pastime. And when he was a child, he used to play. He was naughty like Krishna. Krishna was very naughty, nutcut. If you see Vrindavan Leela, he used to pull the tail of a monkey. You should not do it. The Animal Welfare Board will finish you off. That Vrindavan, the monkeys like to be touched because they were not ordinary soul. The squirrels used to have a lot of fun. So Mahaprabhu also used to do a lot of activities which we cannot understand. So once after taking nice bath, very nice ornaments and nice dress, his mother Sachimata was cooking in the kitchen. He slowly crawl to the bathroom area. Those days bathrooms were not like our bathroom. It was big, spacious, very nice stone. And suddenly a big cobra, 12 feet, black cobra, poisonous, hissing. Children have no fear. For them, chocolate is also same, rat is also same, snake is also same. They'll just take any cockroach and start playing. Whereas we elders, as soon as a cockroach comes here, everybody will fly off from here. We are afraid. So what he did, he caught the tail of the snake, started pulling. Then immediately the snake started rolling on him, crawl completely. And he took his hand and punched his hood. He was just playing. Immediately Sachimata was seeing what's happening now. Mother, how will the mother feel? She swooned away. Her friends came. They're wondering what to do. They can't take a stick. They're afraid if they do anything, the snake will bite the child. Immediately they had one more idea. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, and Hare Krishna, Govinda, they were singing. And that snake is not ordinary. Adishesha, Balram. As soon as he heard Hari's name, he just kept quiet. He started going out. Immediately, the child Nimai started pulling the snake again. Again, they were chanting Hari Bol, Hari Bol. So, Lord, He will create a situation in such a way so the devotees will keep chanting. That was a wonderful pastime. Then another pastime is one thief was there. Even 500 years back, they were robbers. Not even now. Now they are robbing very big in crores. Those days they are robbing small items. So they wanted to kidnap Nimai. There was no GPS system or tracking system those days. So the mother she was cooking in the kitchen. The robbers went. Immediately one of the robber put a cloth on the child, put him on the shoulder. Children always like to travel on shoulder. Free ride. Even we also, if given a chance, we can also sit on somebody's shoulder. Sitting on shoulder and going. So Mahaprabhu sat on the shoulder of the thief. The thief thought, oh, let us go. He started running. And using the Yogamaya potency, the thief was running. And when he ran, he came back to the same place where the child was there. He was wondering what's happening. Sometimes we ask address for somebody. They'll go straight, turn left, come right. You'll be back again here. So thief ran 2 times. Again it was the same place. He was very afraid. They'll find out. Then he understood this is not ordinary. It was getting heavier and heavier. He kept down. As he kept down, when the child smiled, all his sinful mentality vanished and he paid obeisances. So Mahaprabhu appeared in this earth to give mercy to everyone, rich, poor, all classes of people. He never saw any religion. When he appeared, there were a lot of Muslims in those days. Qazis, they were there. And the Brahmins used to complain to the Qazi. This Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the small boy, is telling everyone, give up everything. Don't do Homa, don't do Tapasa. Chant Krishna's name. All problems will solve. The Brahmins were wondering, if everybody starts chanting, where will we go for work? Nobody will call us for puja. Unemployment. They went and complained to Qazi also, the Muslim ruler. He said, wait, I will take care. So he sent all his soldiers. During Kirtan, they took the Mridanga, Kartal, they broke the Kartal. We had problems even those days, not even now. Problems always be there. Immediately, the devotees went to Nimai. He said, don't worry. He can tell all the devotees to come. He gathered 1 lakh devotees. How many? 1 lakh devotees. Hundreds of Mridanga, hundreds of Kartal. Imagine, today 5 devotees were singing. The so tumultuous. Thousands of devotees, 1 lakh devotees singing Hare Krishna. The entire earth was shaking. They went to Nagar Sankirtan. He went to the Qazi's place. He was shivering. And Mahaprabhu spoke in Urdu language. Krishna knows all language. Bahudak. He can understand the bird's language, the tree's language, any language he can speak. When he spoke in Urdu, Arabic, the Qazi, you Hare Krishna people, why are you doing this? Every time he was telling Hare Krishna, more he chanted Hare Krishna, he became purified. Automatically. So Mahaprabhu's presence will make even an atheist, even a non-believer of God to chant Krishna's name. That is the wonderful nature of Mahaprabhu. When Krishna appeared, only few were able to become devotees. But when he came as Mahaprabhu, practically he taught many devotees. When he did Kirtan,